Hi students, in this video we are going to study about nipping of leaf spring. Here we will understand what is nipping of leaf spring, why it is done, nipping concept, leaf spring application. So let's see what is nipping of leaf spring. Here in this diagram, see before assembly diagram, in this top leaf is called as master leaf, and here in this it is made with slightly larger curvature. This bottom small leaf is called as graduated leaf, and this is made with slightly smaller curvature. Okay, these graduated leaves, and as you can see here, this is the gap between both the leaves, and this gap is called as nip. Okay, before assembly, when we bolt it with bolt, as you can see here, we assemble it, then there is a stress developed in the leaves. This whole process is called as nipping of leaf spring. Okay, so see further here. Nipping of a leaf spring is a technique used in multi-leaf spring assemblies, commonly in vehicle suspension system, to improve the load distribution and performance. So this is mostly used in vehicle suspension systems. Okay, and it is used to improve the load distribution and performance of the spring. Okay, so what is nipping? Here nipping means here the intentional difference in curvature camber given to leaves of a leaf spring before assembly. Okay, so as I told you, this is the initial curvature difference, nip. Okay, so the master leaf top leaf is made with slightly larger curvature. As I told, the shorter leaves are made with slightly smaller curvature. This creates a small initial gap called nip between leaves before clamping them together with a center bolt. Okay, this is the nip, center bolt after assembly. Then see why it is done. When the leaves are assembled and tightened, the gap closes, inducing pre-stress in the leaves. In these leaves, pre-stress is developed. This results in uniform stress distribution among all leaves. Okay, all leaves. These are there. Further, there will be more graduated leaves. Okay, we have shown here only one for understanding purpose. So, increase load carrying capacity, reduce risk of failure of the top leaf, improved fatigue life. Okay, overall this helps in suspension system, and also reduces the risk of these master failure of this master leaf. Okay, further, without nipping, top leaf carries most load, fails early. Okay, master leaf is very important, that's why for protection of this we use here nipping concept. Further, see, with nipping, all leaves share load, longer life, and better performance. Okay, nipping providing different initial curvature to leaf spring leaves to create pre-stress and equalize the load distribution. Okay, this whole arrangement, whole concept provides the equalized load distribution among the all leaves. Okay, which improves the load carrying capacity. So nipping concept, due to tightening of the center bolt, full length leaves gets compressive pre-stress. Graduate leaves get tensile pre-stress. This equalizes the final stresses after external load acts. Understood? Without nipping, top leaf bends more, higher stress on the master leaf, that is this big one, early cracks and failure. With nipping, some stress already induced before loading, load gets shared uniformly, better fatigue life. Okay, so now see leaf spring applications: trucks, buses, railway suspension, heavy commercial vehicles. Okay, so students, in this video we have understood about nipping of leaf spring. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.